One-pedal driving allows you to use regenerative braking to slow or even stop the vehicle when the accelerator pedal is lifted. This also helps extend vehicle range. Releasing the accelerator quickly may cause aggressive deceleration and the brake lights to come on. To decelerate more gradually, release the accelerator slowly. Use the Controls app to adjust one-pedal driving sensitivity. Select Controls. See more controls. Drive and park. One-pedal driving, and choose between high, normal, or off. To temporarily increase regenerative braking on the fly, pull and hold the deceleration paddle on the left side of the steering wheel. Additional regenerative braking will apply until the paddle is released.